How to add a payment method on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method on Shopee. First, search shopee.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, look for your username at the top of the screen and tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options, select My Account and tap on it. In the My Account section, look for the Banks and Cards option. Tap on it. Here, you will see a list of your saved bank accounts and cards. If you haven't added a card yet, the list might be empty. To add a new card, tap on the Add New Card button. A form will appear where you need to enter your card details. Start by entering your card number in the designated field. Next, enter the expiry date of your card in the format, month, and year. Finally, enter the name as it appears on your card. Once you've entered all the required information, double-check to make sure everything is correct and then tap on the Submit button. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.